We'll make 1,000 tonight.
Okay. What'd you see?
You might could have hit it.
What was it?
He hit me maybe a little early.
It went, and we got to 22, and I got scared. I was like, bam, 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 and he shut it down.
He had a little,
What was mine saying?
I didn't look at it. He said,
It went beyond 20. It went to 22. And I hit him, and when it did, it was kind of holding at 22. So I think it would have been okay. But
And that was 976.
We wanted a constant 22.
And I think it would have held it.
Yeah. So the wastegates just were starting to open?
But it went so fast from like 15 to 22.
It was getting ready to do this and lay over right at 1,000 and start pulling.
Oh, man.
We'll cool it down and do one more. If it don't go over 25, don't hit me.
All right. All right.
Damn, that was quick. Had more?
Easily had more.
So what was that?
5,800, 22 and a half. We get some better gas in it. We'll let it eat. What's that? 1,000?
How much boots see, Andy?
1,030.
22, 23.
22, 23. You turned to 58.
Digital says 22 and a half. Download 57 and a half.
It hit it so fast.
Right.
Time is
It hit it so
19.
fast.
Time is 19. Well, you can see the logger. Zoom in on it.
Alright, see what I'm looking at here.
We're looking pretty good.
You let me run the camera, and I'll let you make sure your motor doesn't blow up, and you can do it again.
Wastegate's opening at 22. We're good.
Okay, I'm reading air charge, battery, coolant, load. MAF counts are 920.
Yeah.
RPM 5787.
Yeah.
I don't know what the rest of that shit means.
The
Coolant temperature is 178 degrees.
yeah.
Battery at 14 volts. Okay, what else am I looking at? I see the graph there. That don't really tell me nothing.
Nothing that really concerns
I'm
you.
no guru on that. And what was our number, Andy?
1,030.6 at 5787. And 22 pounds of boost. It might make more power.
I think it's gonna make 1150 on a 7,500 pull, 23 pounds. Wastegate's open. It's gonna stop.
Okay.
We just gotta have better gas in it, so in case it's gone.
Look,